I think I feel in love too fast. What name suits you better? All romantic names suit you. Tell me if my love will ever be in a world you love to be mine. There goes my babe. If this is a dream, then do not wake me up. I love you. I know she can break my heart because she is out of my league, but I still want to date her. Let us love each other as we have never loved before. I cherish you when you dance, smile, or cry. Everything you do stays in my mind. I adore you. Am I more? You make me lose control even when I am confident that I have things under control. I remember you not waiting to kiss me, but now you are using my toothbrush. I love you. I do not want tomorrow to come without telling you I love you, my princess. If you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. I am madly in love with you. I am stuck on you like glue but cannot get enough of you. I miss you and can't wait to see you. I want to love you the best way I can because I live only once. I miss you so much. You look like someone from my past and my future. I feel like I have known you my entire life. Let us not waste time thinking about people's opinions about our love. I love you. Do you believe in love? I know we are in the middle of the storm, but take it easy, baby. You are my first love because every other girl I had before we meet is forgotten and buried. I will only relax when you start believing we were meant to be. I love you so much, sweetie. Your presence gives me the teenage feeling of being in love. I miss you so much. If you had nothing more to give but love, that world still be enough for me. I love you. There was a time love turned my heart into a stone, but your love has melted it like wax. You are my sweet wine. Tell me why I love you so much because I don't understand it. How deep is your love for me? You are sweet like a pineapple. I took a bite and feel in love. Would you kiss me daily, baby? You are my education, and I will be here for a long time. Would you love me the same? If I showed me my flaws, I would for you. Life is too short to spend it alone wishing that you have someone to cuddle with at night. I want to spend the rest of my life cuddling with you. I want to grow old with you, just like we have grown old together. Let's make the rest of our lives the best, just like how we have with the past years. You are my one and only. I don't want to be with anyone else but you. You are irreplaceable to me. I love you. I want to honor you today and all the tomorrows to come, just as you have honored me on this day. You are my angel sent from heaven. These words are not enough to express how I feel about you, but I hope that these words will help you understand how much you mean to me. You make me a better person, and without you, I don't think I could ever be myself. You always bring out the best in me, and I love that about you. We may have a lot of fights and arguments, but I want you to know that I still want to be with you because I love you. Nobody can ever replace you. I want to cherish every moment that we have together. You are the one that keeps me happy. I love you so much, baby. You are my queen, and I am your king. Let's rule our lives together just like how we have ruled our hearts. My heart has been missing something since the day I was born. My heart was empty until the day we meet. You are the only one that can fill it completely. I love you, miss you so much already. I wish you never had to leave. I never want to spend another night without you here with me. You are the center of my universe and the air that I breathe. I love you so much. Good night. When you open your eyes tomorrow, I want you to think of me. I want your heart to beat a little bit faster when you think about me. I want you to simple when you think about me. I will always be here for you as long as you love me, and I love you Good night. I will never get enough of your kisses. I will never get enough of your hugs. I will never get enough of your loving touches. I want to feel you all of the time. I love everything about you, my one and only true love. Good night, baby. You are my dream come true. You are my everything. Without you, my life world have no meaning at all. Without your love, I would be nothing at all. I love you so much. Good night. I want to grow old with you. I want to live the rest of my life by your side. You are the one that I want to share everything with. You are the one that I want to leak with and cry with. You are the one that I want to love. Good night, my one and only true love. Thanks for watching video.